US dollar slowly losing its dominance? Is the wave of de-dollarization is here?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are breaking down some very big changes that is shaping global politics and world economy in a simple way. For decades, dollar has been dominating the world trade.
But now, the country seems to be reducing their dependence on dollar. But why? Number 1. Over-dependence on dollar. It gives US or the dollar a huge control over a market, over an economy, which makes the countries more vulnerable. And they don't want it. Number 2. Weaponizing sanctions and tariffs. This pushes countries like China, Russia, India, Iran to look for alternatives like engaging in deals but not in dollars. Number 3. Inflation. There seems to be a great risk of inflation, which weakens the position of US dollar in world stage. When the US inflation is high, it questions the use of dollar as a safe and secured means in savings and investments. But who is going to take the lead towards de-dollarization? You? Me? Let's make it simple for you to understand. China is bringing in more countries to make trade deals with, but only in yuan, especially in gas and oil. India is trying its best to make trade deals with Russia and other countries in rupees. Number 3. BRICS. A group of emerging countries are discussing the idea of using a common currency for transactions in order to counter the US dollar dominance. At 2024 BRICS Summit, President Putin clearly stated, "The dollar is being used as a weapon. We really see that this is so. I think that this is a big mistake by those who do this." He also highlighted that 95% of trade deals between Russia and China takes place in ruble and yuan, and it offended the target. In 2024, President Trump threatened to put 100% tariff on any country that is doing business not in dollar. Due to high tariffs and very aggressive US policies like trade policies, the global investors are not really sure about investing there and are also doubting the long-term impact of the US economy.
Along with the rising US federal debt approaching $40 trillion
and is over 120% of World War II. Now comes the global impact. This is giving a rise to a multipolar financial system where it is empowering the next of world economies to participate, to have a greater and significant say in world affairs. But luckily for Americans, there appears to be no viable alternative for the dollar as of yet. And is not likely to replace the dollar as world reserve currency because it has many disadvantages to it relating to storage, transportation, liquidity, etc. Philip Alpestat, Managing Director at Development Bank for Singapore, says it would take decades, not years, for the global economy to transit away from the dollar. De-dollarization won't happen overnight. It is a gradual process, but it is not impossible. It won't disappear overnight, of course, but the cracks in its system, the cracks in its dominance are visible and growing. And who knows, we may get to witness the dawn of a post-dollar world. Can't wait to see that moment coming. If you found this breakdown useful and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe for more insights into global politics.